This is a 2009 Subaru Outback. Its top features include cruise control, full power accessories, an external temperature gauge, a 6-speaker audio system, a multi-link rear suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a rear spoiler, a low tire pressure indicator, a CD player, and this vehicle has fewer than 27,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.